Hi everyone, my name is Durgesh Shukla and I am an office administration trainer at ICICI Foundation. In this video, we would look at how to book an airline ticket. Now let's see how to book an air ticket. For that you have to open your browser. In that you will type book air ticket online and you will get various websites that are providing online air tickets, but I'll choose yatra.com. Now before proceeding for the tickets, I'll first of all sign in, that is login into my account. So for that I will click on login. So I am entering my mobile number. Now I'll click on continue. Now I will receive one-time password in my mobile phone that I will have to enter here. Now after entering the OTP, I'll submit on. Now you will see I have logged into my account. It's showing hi Durgesh. So I have logged into my account. Now first of all we'll go for flight tickets booking. So in that you will see three options. First one is one way, round trip, and third one is multi-city. Now when we have to book for one side, we'll go for one way tickets. If you want to book for to and fro, then we will choose the option of round trip. If you are traveling more than two cities at a time, then we will go for multi-city. So right now I'm going to click on round trip, as I have already received the schedule of my manager, that till from where and till then where he is going to travel. So accordingly I will book to and fro both tickets for him. So now I will click on depart from. So departure will be from Vadodara. So I have clicked on Vadodara, and going to destination will be Mumbai. So now I have to select departure date. Now the departure date is of 10th of November. And return date is, it is asking me to choose return date. So the return date is of 13th of November. And in traveler and class you will get the option, you can add or subtract adult or the travelers. So right now there is only one person who is traveling. There is no child in this. And you can also select the class of the ticket, economy, premium economy, or business. So here I am selecting the option of economy. So I'll select on economy only, and search flights. I'll click on search flights. Now when you will click on search flight, you will get the list of flights that are traveling from Vadodara to Mumbai. So you can see there are options. So I have got the option to go from Vadodara to Mumbai. There is only one option, but you can see from Mumbai to Vadodara there are various options. So I can choose the options as per my convenient. I can choose that. So I'll go for this, both the tickets. Okay, now you can see total fare. Total fare is coming 6,100. Now I will click on book now. Now after clicking the book now, you will get the option to review your booking, because if you want to make any changes in the booking details, you can make right now. Otherwise, after booking the tickets, you will not be allowed to make any changes in the departure or return of the flights. So let me just check the details. I think everything is fine. And here you can see some compulsory guidelines for the passengers. So you can go through it here. You will get the details. There are various information given here, such as you have to check in before 2 hours. Now I will enter the traveler's detail. As this is my account, therefore every detail is of mine. So I have to edit here. I'll have to put the detail of my manager who is going to traveler, so that he gets the tickets in his mail ID. So his mail ID is, I will enter the traveler's contact detail. Now I will enter the name. First of all, I have to select the title. Here they are asking, are you traveling for work? So yes, ma'am is going to travel for work. Now traveler protection. So this is the very important part. I would recommend always to take this protection with you. Now again, you will get the option of service request. You can add meal in your ticket, right? You can add baggage. If you have more baggage that you have to carry, then you can add from here, right? There are extra charges for that, you can see here. So you can select accordingly. I'm moving forward. Now you have to select the option of proceed to payment. After reviewing your ticket, right, you can go for the payment. So I have clicked on that. Now it will bring me to the payment gateway, or you can say the payment page. Here you can see I can make the payment through various options. Now I'm going to make the payment through net banking. So I'll click on net banking and select my bank from which I'm going to make the payment. Here you can see the total amount is 6,457. So this is the amount that I will have to pay. Now I have already selected my bank. Now I will click on pay now. Once I'll click on pay now, it will redirect me to the ICICI Bank's net banking website. From there I can make the payment by logging into it. So this is how we can book air ticket. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.